Welcome to this tutorial on how to log out from Exodus Wallet on desktop. Exodus Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to securely store, manage, and exchange various digital assets. Logging out of your Exodus Wallet is an essential step to ensure the security of your funds, especially when using a shared computer or public network. To log out from Exodus Wallet on desktop, start by opening the Exodus Wallet application on your computer. Once the application is launched, you will see the main dashboard that displays an overview of your portfolio, including the balance of your various cryptocurrency assets. Locate the profile icon, which is usually represented by your initials or a profile picture, at the top right corner of the Exodus Wallet dashboard. Click on the profile icon to access the profile menu. The profile menu will drop down, revealing several options, including the logout option. Select the logout option from the profile menu. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to log out of your Exodus Wallet account. Confirm the logout action by clicking on the logout button. Exodus Wallet will then log you out of your account, and you will be taken back to the login screen. It is essential to log out of your Exodus Wallet account whenever you are finished using it, especially if you are using a shared computer or public network. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to your account and protects your cryptocurrency assets from potential theft. As a best practice, always ensure that your Exodus Wallet is updated to the latest version, and use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Additionally, be cautious when using public computers or public networks to access your Exodus Wallet, as these may pose a higher risk to the security of your account. By following these simple steps, you can securely log out of your Exodus Wallet on desktop and help protect your cryptocurrency assets from potential threats. Remember to always prioritize the security of your Exodus Wallet account to ensure the safe management of your digital assets.